Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Passing by, plenty of gossip, but where's the helping hand? 1. Everyone has the latest update. Somehow, the news travel faster than the elevator. 2. People walk past like their own mission. Global sports competition level speed, just not toward helping. 3. The gossip committee never takes a day off. Their coffee seems powered by rumors. 4. Everyone notices everything except someone needing help. Eagle eyes, sleepy helping hands. 5. They know the story before the story begins. That's some impressive imagination. 6. Passing by becomes a daily parade. Lots of walking, very little waving. 7. Advice arrives after everything is over. Perfect timing almost. 8. The whispers are louder than the announcement. Indoor voices, optional apparently. 9. Everyone's suddenly an expert. Free opinions included with every conversation. 10. Curiosity clocks in early helping. Running a little late. 11. People collect stories like trading cards. Everyone wants the newest edition. 12. They notice every little detail. Detective skills activated. 13. The hallway feels like a runaway. Lots of entrances, very few assists. 14. Rumors, hack, frequent updates, better signal than some Wi-Fi networks. 15. Everyone has a theory. Facts are still waiting for their turn. 16. Questions are everywhere. Solutions are on vacation. 17. The audience is always fail, but volunteers are hard to find. 18. Small stories become epic adventures. Plot twists included at no extra charge. 19. People remember tiny mistakes forever. Selective memories can be impressive. 20. Friendly hello solves more than gossip. Kindness is refreshingly simple. 21. Some people observe more than they participate. Speculators mode activated. 22. The rumor train never misses its schedule. Too bad kindness isn't on the same route. 23. Assumptions arrive before introduction. Saying hello works much better. 24. Everyone hears echoes of old stories. Time for a new chapter. 25. A simple cause less than a rumor. Audits much better for atmosphere. 26. Helping hands are worth more than busy chatter. Actions leave the best impression. 27. Respect makes every place brighter. No special equipment required. 28. Listening carefully beats guessing. Real conversations clear up confusion. 29. Kindness spends faster than expected. It's just needs someone to start. 30. The best update of the day. Someone choose respect, offered help, and made everyone smile. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.